Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Hope you are well and fine. Let's start. Today we will be learning a time picker dialog. Okay, let's create a. Now I am creating a text view for this text view. It will be changed on runtime from Java code. Okay, let's create. Okay, giving a ID for button and set text for this button, this text view, real time text, and set color as a yellow color. Let's text size equals 30 sp and text style is bold. Okay, let's create a button to open a time picker dialog. Okay, align it and set ID for button. Let's set text, choose timer. Okay, I created a variables for the text view and button objects. Let's create on click listener for this. Okay, creating method show dialog. Now get suggestion and create it a method. Okay, now it's created. Let's create a calendar object. We are using calendar object for this to create a time picker dialog. Let's create a hours calendar.get calendar.hours. Okay, let's create a minutes object. Minutes equal to calendar.get get calendar.minutes. Okay, now it's done. Let's create a text view. Let's set default time for the app hours plus colon minutes. Okay, it's done now. Let's create a time picker dialog. In show dialog method, we are creating a time picker dialog object and align it. Let's assign it a time picker dialog get application context comma new time picker dialog. Okay, let's pass it. I think it's a variable hours and minutes. It's create a global variable for this. Let's create okay int hours comma minutes. Okay, now done. Remove integer. Now it's done. Let's pass it hours and minutes comma it's 24 hour or not is pass false. Okay, done. Checking I think it's okay. Now create a text view, pass it new hours and minutes, set text view text. Now it's done. Let's create a toast message. This data is set successfully. Okay, now let's run it. Its error occur in real time. It's a time text view. Okay, it's done. Now run it again. I think it's run now. Let's build successfully. Launch. Okay, is set a time as a 2:53 at current time. Dialog is not showing. Let's create a dialog.create. Create a dialog. Okay. Create dot show. No, it's not. Dialog dot show. Create. Okay, it's build version. No. Okay, it's done. I think it's problem in get context. Let's change it to main activity.this. Run again. Check it's working or not. Okay, apps launch. It's working now. It's working, and check the time. It's properly set or not. Okay, let's change the time. PM 4:56 PM. It's set, but it's appearing at 24 hours. Means that 16:53. Let's change again. Check it's changing or not. Okay. Create calendar dot set. It's not getting. Dialog dot. It's not getting. How can we change it? Okay, let's assign to true. Let's check. Okay, set. Now remove the build path. Okay, let's run again. No, it's done. Okay, thank you so much. Subscribe channel and watch more videos. Also visit